Survival. Okay, this is a survival kit that you might want to bring. Alright, guys, this is Nicky there. In here, we have a very quick survival bin. Very easy and simple survival equipment. This is like a couple days to 3 days standard, basically. Okay, you can throw this in, set it up. Really simple. In it, you have whatever is edible. Yeah, chicken soup, tuna, canned good. You know, for your survival food and everything like that. I mean, the list goes on, but I am just trying to give you some demo here, what it is. I mean, you can even have this thing here. Now, the key to all of these things is that you must recycle these 3 months. Must recycle these 3 months at a time. You gotta recycle, meaning that you gotta have to eat this food, you know, before you get new ones, new setup. All right. I mean, you can see this is for rice and beans. It's also good. More soup. More of this. Really simple. You gotta have water also to make your soup. All right. To set this up. Basically, you guys have been doing camping before, right? And we need to do this. You always have extra. Even if you have a lighter like this, which is good, I think everybody has this, throw it in there and have these matches as well. Okay? And matches as well. So, what I was going to show you, flashlight with extra batteries. One is always going to be, when one is out, you know you got extra batteries also. Make sure it's the right size, all right? You gotta have to have this, and then make sure that you change them every 3 months. Make sure it's still working, all right? And then can opener. Since we won't have electricity, we won't have gas system, we don't have any water. When disaster strikes, scenario would be earthquake, no electricity, no water system, no gas, nothing. And you're gonna have to live off this for a while because there's no support system out there, all right? So you gotta deal with your survival bin. So whatever you put in here, that's what you're gonna use, all right? So I'm going through these canned goods, dry goods, peanut butter, crackers, what else? You know, whatever that you like, basically. Nuts, canned goods like this one, soup, chili, pasta, noodles, macaroni and cheese even, you know, those boxes and everything. Noodles, rice and beans. Rice and beans, everybody loves rice and beans. I mean, you can even go gourmet on this. It's up to you, okay? With me, yeah, I mean, you know, I look for corn, I look for beans, I look for gonzo with beans and everything like that. Those are just preference, all right? So let's start this. Fix this out. Oh, I want to say something too. This, you should have one of this and also matches for extra backup. In survival mode, you always have extra, okay? Have extra of everything. Extra flashlight, batteries, okay? The batteries should be duct tape on it around the flashlight because you never know. When this thing here, you haven't used it and you need to have extra. All right, guys, I am going to, and make sure this thing here is because it's pressurized and everything, you know. Oh, key to this, the thread here, careful of that you do not break it off or, you know, strip it, I should say. All right, because if it doesn't go over here and you strip it, it's gonna go bad. All right, so you just have to angle it properly. Some of you watching this and say, well, I can do some fire, you know, I can make fire out here. Go right ahead, do that. Or I can use solar, you know, system. Go ahead and do that. Okay, just be careful not to strip it. All right, just make sure it's tight enough Now we gotta have to have this elevated. Let's just use this. This is also a survival bucket. I have lots of things in there, all right? I've got emergency for kids, all right, and everything. And I've got the battery. I've got all kinds of stuff in here, guys. All right. I'm here just to show you the food stuff. All right. So good to have them with this real quick. All right. And we'll do, you know, we got canned food, right? Canned meat, soup. You can do tuna, canned tuna. You can do canned turkey chili also. I like going to, you know, you can choose anything that you want to fix, all right, which is good. Noodle and soup, spaghetti even, or things like that. Okay. All right, that's how you prepare it. Okay, so the key is that to also have this equipment and tools, all right, handy. And make sure it's in this bin, wherever you want to create. And this is something that I have created. I have all of my tools right here. When I need straws, spoons, you know, all of this in Ziploc bag. And, you know, my salt and pepper over here, my sugar. Oatmeal is also good, by the way. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is really great. I also have a spare little flashlight here. Okay. Extra trash bags is important, guys. This is just some of the common sense, some of the basic items that I can share with you. You know, forks, even chopsticks. All right. So again, canned goods. Okay, you can go gourmet on this. You know, it's all up to your personal preferences and who you want to feed in the family, depending on the size of your household, depending on the size of your family, and also your pets. Don't forget your pets. They need their food. They need their food and they need their water as well. So spaghetti, noodles, soup, chili, canned food, canned meat, turkey, beef, Spam, you know, things like that. Tuna, I love tuna. You gotta fit that, and then a lot of soup, crackers, nuts for protein. All right, we waited for a few minutes to cool this off, cool this down. All right, and we need to take this off, and then basically that's it. That's what you need to do in the survival mode. Okay, there's no support system out there for a few days, maybe even a week. So you're gonna have to take care of yourself, all right? Be self-reliant and know how to prepare your own food, hot food that is. Just be creative with it. If you want to go gourmet, go do that, and make sure that you put the tip here, secured and safe. All right, it's all about safety, and it is your responsibility. Safety, safety, safety. All right, guys. Take care. If you need any more questions, you know, you have questions, you need more information, go to our website, idealworld.com. That is. All right, safety first, guys. Thank you for watching.